I also like that you can see the water line. You can see the water comes out. Hi, welcome to Big Cat Homestead. Today I'm going to be trying out a new feeder for my baby chicks. They're currently 4 weeks old. And this is going to keep it cleaner, and once I do get the coop, I could also use this in the coop. This is the feeder, and it looks this way on all 4 sides. I already put 2 pieces in. Here are the other 2. I'm going to show you how to put this together. When you look at this, inside here, this hole, this is where they're going to peck in to eat their food. That's how big the hole is. Unscrew it. Make sure this seal is on the inside. You want to push it in from the inside and then screw it on. Screw it on. Put it on the inside. Alright. Next, you want to fill it with feed and snap your lid on. You can't take that off. And the reason I really like this is it has an anti-roost top, so if the birds get on there, they'll slide right off. So it keeps them from roosting. You can also hang it with the included chain. I'm not going to use this right now. Let's go to the waterer. I have this cute little card. It tells you how to do everything. And a little sticker. And what I like about this kit here is all the holes are pre-drilled. All you do is put either the nipples on or the cup. I want to do 2 nipples and 2 cups. It doesn't say you can't do that. We'll try it. You have the cup here, and then you have the nipple with a dribble tray, so extra water can go in there and they can get that out as well. And they will peck this right here. And this will be on the inside and the water will come out. What I like about it, you can use a cage with clips for this, but I like it has a little cup here. You know how they get the shavings in their cup? And you can take this piece out. You can take this out, clean it, and put it back in there. So that's pretty neat. So I already put 2 on. I'm gonna try. It doesn't say you can do this or you can't, but I'm gonna try 2 of the cups and 2 of the nipples and see. And I'm gonna sit it on a paver. It says to have it, the nipple at their eye level, but for chicks that are older, you can sit it on a flat surface. Both of these are good for chicks 3 weeks up through adult. There's a little rubber washer there. So this is going to be on the outside. This clamp will be on the inside. So I'm just going to screw that on until it hits the washer. And then I will screw from the inside. Just so tight. Okay, that's tight. Put anything on the back of this, you just screw this in this way. And when you do it, it should be flush here. You shouldn't be able to see any red in between there. Just have a paver. I have one inside there. Just sit it up here. This works fine. If I didn't have these cups and just had the nipples, I could sit it flat. Okay, we'll see if there's any leaks. Got some water here. Okay, the cups are filling up with water. Okay, I decided to go with the nipples just because I have different ages. They're between 1 and 3 weeks difference. And having the 2 of each, it wasn't really stable. So far, no leaks. And the way they get water is they go here and they peck this. You can see the water comes out and the extra goes in the cup. I also like that you can see the water line through the container. You don't have to lift the top off to see how much water is in there. So this is a great design. Just gonna snap this cap on top. I like that it's a tight fit. No way they're getting this off. Very sturdy, and there's a plug to put there, so I'll go grab. And I really didn't understand why they have a plug there, but it makes sense because this is so tight. If you're trying to take it off in the coop, you know, you may end up spilling, so you can just, it doesn't say that's what it's for, but it makes sense. You can easily take this off and refill it. And with this, remember, they'll be going through here to get the feed. So as it drops down, they'll be able to get it. It'll just drop down from the top as they eat it. Put some feed in here. Okay, we're full, and if you look in here, you can see the food right there. So they peck in there and get the food, and it drops from here. Lock this cap down too. So far, the things I like, you can see through the container. The lid is very tight. Nipple attachment with the drain cup, and these big cups that have the liner in them so you can take it out and clean it. And what I really love most are these anti-roost caps. And what I like about this brand, because I ordered another brand, it has the anti-roost caps, but if you lift it off, there's the feed right there. So, you know, you lift it off, the birds can get in there. Or if they kick it off, and same thing here, the water, if you wouldn't be able to knock this off, one of them could drown in the water. So I love that there's a cap in between these two. So that's a really great design. And even with all of that, this is a snug fit, the roost cover. The other one I ordered, you can just pop it off really easily. And so they can knock it off and end up inside. So that's very dangerous. You see the caps work, but look, if you take this off, the water's right there. And you have to, you know, scrape all of that out, and you don't really get it out well. So you really need to take and clean the whole thing. There's no caps, and the same thing here. They knock it over, and it's not really that sturdy. Material is actually pretty good, so it just needs some sort of safety cap in between those two. I could live with that, cleaning that out, but this part is just too dangerous. I couldn't sleep at night, you know. This would be awful. Okay, there are my babies. We'll put it right here. See if we can get it. This is a lot bigger, so we can go all the way around it. Pros: anti-roost taps, safety cap in between, see-through design, nipple with the drip well, removable cup liners, snug fitting lids, and the pre-drilled holes. Cons: with the cups, you have to place it on a paver or hang it because it won't sit flat.